My name's Daryn Vucelik, and I'm the team leader in Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. I started MAPS coaching about 2 years ago, and it's been a transformative experience for me and my business. My market center has grown pretty much to the extent that I have. The bold law is true, and I can't thank my MAPS coach enough. For me personally, MAPS coaching has opened my eyes to the opportunities throughout Keller Williams and beyond. We talk about a lot more than just my numbers and day-to-day successes, and a lot about what comes next and what's happening in the bigger picture. So that's what MAPS has done for me. In the last 2 years that I've been the team leader, our market center's grown by 25% in agent count and over 60% in gross commissions earned. If someone was considering getting a MAPS coach, I would say quit considering it and go sign up for MAPS coaching right now. It'll be the best decision you can make for yourself and your business.